Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of The Hobbyist. Thanks for joining me today. In this episode I have two envelopes from Topps. So shouldn't be too many things to open up. I think they might be singles of some Project 70 cards maybe. But enough guessing, let's jump in and see what I'll be adding to my collection today. So we can see. Oh, okay. So in the previous episode, I had purchased some cards where Topps was creating for a basketball, I don't know what you want to call it, a league maybe? So I guess it's a league for high schoolers, and it's called Overtime Elite. And they released some rookie cards for the players, and that's what this is. So there we go. I'll zoom this in here in just a second. So I think they have a couple of these sets released. I don't know which numbers these are, so let's find out. See number 5 on the back of that one, so this must be 5 through 9. So this is Dominic Barlow, and that is 8, 5 through 8, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. It's Dominic Barlow, Devontis Cobbs, that is number 7, and Nathan Messia Dio, and that is card number 6. And then here we have Malik Bowman, and that's card number 5. And you can see they all have the little RC up in the corner for rookie card. So like I was saying, the last batch I opened up, these are, their first real cards. So it'll be interesting to see what this league ends up doing. I think it's a developmental league. Alright, so I wonder if this is going to be more of the same, because I've ordered every 4-card set that they've produced so far. I've only gotten one, so this might be, oh no, okay, this is a Shohei Ohtani. This was a single that I ordered. The card just looked pretty cool. From their Topps Now line. And check that out. Yeah, so this one was just a really cool looking card. There's the back. Position my fingers around the edges there, but yeah, I just really like the way the artwork on this card looked. It's got him as a, kind of a close-up, looks like he's batting, and then it's got a picture of him pitching and a picture of him batting, almost like he's pitching to himself. So yeah, that is that. Really cool looking card. Okay, well that's it for my Topps adventure today. I'll probably be putting those into some penny sleeves and top loaders or semi-rigid loaders, and I'll put those in with my other cards. So thanks for tuning in, and thanks for sharing this moment with me, and come back for some more. Until then, take care.